Hello, guys. Today I want to talk about how my workplace is getting affected in the sense that I really wanted the job and I really love this job. But now that I've come to Grice, it has been almost 5 months, and navigating and realizing that it is getting tougher and tougher. Even though the work is great and I love my job and this is what I've dreamed of, but dealing with these worldly people, oh my god, I can literally I can literally feel that, the fiery darts of Satan or the enemy, whatever you call it. As soon as I'm in their atmosphere, I feel this heaviness increase in my thing. Even though I have to pray, even while I'm at work all the time, I just feel that now I cannot hang out or be part of the social circle anymore because I'm not worldly and all they talk about is worldly stuff like girls and gossip and stuff like that. And now that you are not part of any social group, what happens is that they automatically seclude you. So you are an outcast, you're the weird one, as they call it. And of course, if you are not part of an inner group, then you have to go through extra oppression. I just don't know how to face this. How in the comment section, maybe you guys can help me. But the spiritual warfare has been really strong, and even though I'm staying in the word, I'm doing my best. But there's this dude who called me an idiot, and I don't know, I could not fight back. Like, somehow I just feel like I'm being pushed to a corner. And even though I really love this job, it just feels like, will I be able to sustain it? Even though I'm doing a great job, but every day there's this, even before I'm stepping into work, I know that I am going into a war. It feels like I can feel that weight come upon me, and it's not a happy feeling that I can go free. It's like all my life I've never faced this kind of heaviness. And even though I was never a bad person, I just knew how to deal with it. But now that I have come to Christ, the attacks have been very heavy. Like, I sometimes I really feel like crying and having a breakdown. I don't know how people manage Christianity with workplace because it's really taking a toll. I think most people who are Christians in the workplace could be lukewarm if they are not feeling anything, because they could be part of those circles. But the thing is that as soon as I'm part of the circles and they are discussing movies and stuff, I can feel that worldly pull towards me. So I don't know if anyone else goes through this, but it's been really hard for me. Even though I am performing well, but I can feel that I am underappreciated. I am usually thrown under the bus, and it's been very hard. And even though I want to go to Goldman Sachs and I know I have the skills, I have the resume, I know what I'm doing great. But there's only one thing stopping me, is that I'm so scared of these worldly people now that I don't know how to survive in this. Only the Lord can help. I hope the Lord helps. I'm still understanding what it means to walk with the Lord. Or maybe I'm not supposed, like, I've realized that corporate jobs could be not for me, even though this is what I've dreamed of throughout my life. But now the toxicity I cannot handle. I don't understand how worldly people sleep at night. Just their presentations are done, and they presented themselves in front of the manager very well and everyone appreciated them. But they are literally being so mean to me. And how do they sleep at night? Like, do they not get any conviction that they are being nasty? Or all they do is talk about girls, and people who are even married, they talk about girls and weird stuff about their fetishes. And it's just, I can really see that spiritual veil that came off my eyes. Of course, I would not pay attention to all this even earlier, but now that my spiritual senses have awakened, I just feel that all of this is wrong in so many degrees. Where there's like a 34-year-old dude who's trying to be extra friendly with a 22-year-old girl, and even the girl is doing it, like she gets attention, so girls are like talking to married men. And it just feels extremely off now that you're in Christ, because earlier I just used to put this under the table, or I would not think all of this as wrong also. I would be like, okay, those are the ways of the world. And even I have earlier maybe tried to talk to married men when I was not in Christ and tried to woo them. I do not know. It could be the fallen nature of women attention seeking. But now that I have stopped attention seeking and I pray a lot and I'm one with Christ, it just feels extremely off and uncomfortable watching this. I don't know if you guys get me. I don't know if, yeah, if everyone goes through this, if anyone could let me know how to defeat this or have like be part of the spirit. I even feel that my family members are against me, so I do not discuss my life with them a lot, how I live my life and how it's come become completely different. Earlier the temptations were really hard to resist about liking people who are not Christians, liking men who are not Christians. But now, as soon as I got the word in my head that unbelievers cannot be yoked together, and having the word to just back up any negative thought in my mind really helps. But I'm still fighting the good fight, and sometimes I even doubt if there is a God, because no, not earlier. My life has never been this tough. Each day feels like a struggle, and I don't feel the joy of the Lord at all. I don't know where is God. Sometimes He really puts us through really tough battles, and I don't know if this is gonna go on forever. I actually love Saturday, Sundays when I'm by myself, but on Monday I just, even though I don't dread, but there are, uh, especially there's a time that I have become a target for my manager a lot. So when he shouts at me, it becomes really, the heaviness and anxiety really increases. And unfortunately, I don't know why I can't answer back to these people, or have become a bit meek. I don't know what it is. I don't know if everyone faces this, but sometimes I just feel like the voices in my head don't stop, and I can't answer at that moment the right thing at the same time. Like the right thing at the right moment. Maybe I do need a bit of deliverance, because there are some issues with the voices in my head, and I do go through some deliverance prayers, like a spirit of fear, which I've been dealing with a lot. But in general, life has become extremely tough in dealing with these worldly people, in having these periods of isolation where I feel that no one understands me and I can't be part of these groups, and I'm extremely secluded. I don't know, and it just sucks altogether. I don't know where are my rewards for being so good. Sometimes I just feel that who is living this life, especially in India, this kind of holy, godly life. Nobody, even the Christians around me, are extremely lukewarm. So I don't know. I've actually never found like a woman or man of God that actually follows Christ to the T. And unfortunately, my anxiety and depression issues were so bad that I don't know. I can't go back to my worldly life, because I know where it ends. I know where it takes me all the time. So this time I really want to stick to Christ, but I'm having issues. I don't want to people to perceive me as weak, but I have had like, I don't know. It's getting worse day by day. I do would want spiritual. I have spoken to certain brothers and pastors, but I just feel that only the Lord can solve my problems now, because I have stopped asking human beings for my solutions. I only rely on the Lord now, and I know that we have authority over these demons. Like these demons, like as soon as they see me, they are like manifesting. I can sense it, that why would you call someone an idiot or stupid. um and I do answer back, but it's like, now that I'm an outcast, I've become an easy target to these things. And corporate is toxic, But I just feel that the toxicity towards me has extremely increased as I've come to Christ. I hope this ends.